In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see all the tasks you have due in Trello in one place without using a paid app. Let's dive in and make your task management more effective and organized. First things first, to get started, you'll want to open up your web browser and go to Trello.com. Once you're there, look for the login button and give it a click. You can easily log in using your email, or if you prefer a quicker option, go ahead and use your Google account. Both methods are fairly straightforward and get you into your Trello account in no time. Now that you're logged in, let's navigate to your boards, head over to your workspaces section, and you should see a list of all your boards. Find the board where you want to manage and view your tasks, and click on it to open it up. This is where all the magic will happen. Once you're on your board, find a card that you want to check or add a task to, and click on it. This will open up more details about that specific card. Now take a look at the side where it says members and click on it. To make sure you're keeping track of your tasks, add yourself as a member of the card if you haven't done that yet. With yourself as a member, it's time to move on to setting due dates, which is crucial for keeping everything organized. Click on dates and set a due date that works for your task. After you've chosen the right date, make sure to hit save. This step ensures that due dates are in place and helps in prioritizing your workload efficiently. After saving the due date, it's time to close the menu and move on to the next step. You'll want to repeat this process for all the cards on this board or others that need due dates assigned. Consistency here will ensure that your task overview is comprehensive and up to date. Once all your cards have due dates, it's time to view them in a central location. Click on your account in the upper right corner of the page. From the drop down, select Cards. Here you'll find a convenient list of all the tasks across your boards. To make this list even more organized, click on the Sort drop-down option at the top. Select Sort by due date to ensure that your tasks are organized in the order they need to be completed. This view will help you prioritize responsibilities and keep track of deadlines effortlessly. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to manage all your tasks in Trello without needing to pay for any additional apps. I hope this helps you stay on top of your work and keeps your Trello boards clear and organized. Thank you for watching, and happy task managing.